So for the tools we have right now, I have a soldering iron that I don't use as a soldering iron anymore. I have another one. So you can see all the white on the tip is from just the plastic. So I'm going to burn a hole with that. It's really good on the canvas belt, but it's also good for the plastic. I'm going to burn a hole here. I'm going to burn 2 holes here. I'm going to burn a hole here. I'm going to burn a hole here. I'm going to burn one here. So if this was his actual, if he was skinny enough to fit in here, it would actually line up. See, I'm actually a little bit too skinny for this, so I would probably have to trim just a little bit off to make this fit. So the right side, we would put a snap in here, but we're not going to. We're going to probably have to put the snap in the shim that we put in. And then on the left side, we're going to have to do another shim, 2, one in the front, one in the back. And we'll put the 3 split rivets here and then here. But that'll be a later time, we'll show you. So basically, just come in here. You don't have to push in real hard. Just push in and it makes its own hole. And just pull off the excess. Come back through. There's your hole. So then I come through with this again. Clean it up just a tiny bit. So this one is going to be this kind of snap. So I'm just going to come in here. You can make a snap plate for this, but since this is a TK, it's going to be hidden by the shoulder strap. So there's really no need to glue this to here with the plastic thing and then that coming off. It's better to just go ahead. Now, this isn't done on how they do it in the movie. This is just how I do it. I like it better this way. So it all depends on if you want to keep it like the movie and make a snap plate, or if you want to make it to where it's easier this way. So I've already made the hole big enough. I put them in. This is going to be fun because I don't have an extra person here to hold this.
Put them down.
I got it. And there it is. So when you hammer it, you want to make sure you go around in a circle like this, and it helps going a lot smoother. They do have the crimping ones, but they suck. It's better to do it this way. So there's the first one. So now we do another one here. Another one here. And one more right here. So it's a lot easier to let it dry and do it because it comes off a lot cleaner. Or not dry, but cool off. So it comes off a lot cleaner. This one you don't want it too big because you're just putting your split rivet through here. These you do want big because you're putting more snaps through here. So I don't have to make it bigger because I'm going to use this. To make it bigger, I don't have to use the soldering iron. So I just, when I put it in, and it fits in, then it's good. So I'm just heating it up just enough so I can take it off. So this is what it would look like if it's not, the hole's not big enough. It won't fit all the way down. So that's why I elongate the holes in all the snaps. If you look at the snap, and the shaft is thinner here, wider at the base. So there, it's all the way in. That's not the way we do it. We do it this way.
Do you need to measure that?
No, because the belt is going to be coming just like this, all the way across. So basically, from here to here. So what you need to do once you have these in, then when you go to put the belt on, then you need to measure the belt to where these holes are. Your drop boxes, when you're done, the drop boxes, you actually attach this plastic box, or the ammo box, right here, you attach it to the belt, and right here is pretty much where the snap is. I kind of guesstimated it, so this elastic strap is in between both of them. I'll show you later on. So now the tricky part. Nope. So I have to come almost to the edge here. So I want this as flat as possible. I hammer this on. I'm going to do the same thing, go around in a circle. So nice and tight. I've been telling myself there's a lot longer one, probably like this long, that's at Tandy Leather. I keep telling myself I'm going to buy one, and I always forget. All these snaps you end up putting in here, it would definitely help. So as long as it doesn't move, you're good. Alright, so we'll come back to this one. I'm going to do 2 more snaps. That's the ab and the chest. Can't do the kidney today. Pretty much done with the back. So now we go to the butt plate. So again, we're going to need 2. So I pretty much kind of just threw it in there. As long as they're not touching, doesn't really matter. So these I'm going to make bigger. So these actually going from the snaps going to be on the inside, so this part will be on the outside. So there's 2, just like that. Now I'm going to use my chest or my stomach. Put one in. There's one. There's 2. There you go. So these will be painted white. So now that's done until we get the shims put on, until we get the elastic where everything's butted together. So that's done for now. Now we'll go to this one. So now I use basically just 3/4 elastic. And I usually go about 3. So that way it's nice and thick. And it doesn't have a chance of separating. So I make
So you just fold it 3 times?
3 times. I'm just making a hole big enough for the split rivet to fit through. Watch this cord. Alright, so I need one split rivet. So I'm going to make it so it doesn't unravel. Right now I have to find me a washer, so hopefully I have one hidden somewhere in there. So it goes like that. This one stays brass. You don't mess with that one at all. Don't paint that one.
Why?
That's how it is in the movie. If you want a Centurion, it needs to be brass. Now you just gotta put it through all 3. Which is a lot easier said than done. There's 3. I gotta find me a washer. Alright, so there's a washer. So I'll just use a screwdriver. Kind of just push them down a little bit. You get it on hard. And I'll use a hammer. Try to keep everything lined up. There you go. That's all you need for that one. So that's how it looks in the front. It's going to have the little thing. What we're going to end up doing, once this one's attached here, we're going to bring it around, fold it over a couple times. We're going to put a snap in there, and then it'll just snap in, just like that. Okay, so that is all that we can do on this, because like I said, we don't have the elastic for the loops for here. We don't have those made. We don't have the glue to glue in. We don't have the Zappa gap to glue in the sides, the shims. And then we don't have it all put together to actually form it to fit him. So that'll be it for this, and then we can move on to probably the legs or the arms. We'll do the arms. So this is a 1-inch black elastic. It's going to be folded over 2.5 inches, so 1.25 inches. This side, this side, this side, that side, so it's 2.5. And then you're just going to double stitch once, twice. Obviously it'll be cut first, so this won't even be there. It'll be like this, and you'll double stitch. And you just make 9 of them. Each kit only needs 9.
So it's a loop and it fits over the hangers that attach the pieces.
They're called brackets, but yeah.